Upper joint have what? 3 members. Okay, we have 0 force member. In thrust, we have 2 rules. 2 rules. One of them, I'm talking about one of them. One of them is you have a joint. Have 4 conditions. What is the 4 condition? Telling you 3 members. By these 3 members. Number 1. What's the second condition? 2 alternate. 2 this member. 2 member. In this joint, what is the member? This member. And this member, they are collinear. What's the meaning collinear? Collinear means 180 degrees. By the second condition. What is the third condition? Third condition, there is no force in the joint. The force in lower joint. Upper joint, there is no force. Because this is the third one, third condition. What about fourth condition? Fourth condition, upper joint, and there is no support. Any support here? No. The support in this joint and this joint. You assign it automatically without calculation. This member is zero. Without calculation. Without any analysis. Structure analysis. Analysis means go step by step. 2 bus steps. But here without steps. Now let us go for the other member. See, other member have joint, the lower joint. Lower joint is 3 members. But there is what? There is external load. There is external load, correct? There is external load here. You mean what? You cannot apply the regular. How come? You 100%. If you go for this joint, go for this joint, C, lower joint, and it's at a C. And you have what? You have 100. Yes. Okay. Very simple. Now, listen our joint. Cut here. Now you joint, the member, and the force. You have 100. You already cut here, and you cut here, and you cut here, correct? Sigma y is equal 0. This is the first equilibrium equation, one of them. You mean what? L force C, sure 100% is the opposite to the direction of 100. If 100 down, you will see up. You will now the force is equal 100% to make balance. Correct? Or this 100 is compression or attention? Tension or compression? Tension. يعني remember C and hundred. صح كده؟ Because here our joint is what? 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even in this case, the internal force is tension or compression? Tension or compression? Tension. The force in this camera here is tension or the force in this rod? Tension. 100%. Very simple. We will go for it. This is a structure, one of the structure analysis. The answer is B. The answer is B. Perfect. Right. Here we go. A formal CBM analysis for a project shows the planned costs today are $85,000 and the accounting reports charges are $85,000 for work value of $70,000. The cost and schedule status for the project are most clearly as follows. CBM stands for critical path message. Critical path message for our schedule. We give line is based on critical path message, which we are creating a critical path and not critical activities and not critical activities. And by this method, we have techniques, we have a lot of problems and a lot of questions coming in our way. Analysis for a project shows the planned costs today are Kaza and Kaza why we are using this decomposing. And what is the project status? And how we are going to have something, a tool, monitoring tool, from this type of CDM to evaluate our project status. How? Very simple, guys. We are, every single project should have monitoring tools. This monitoring tools is enabling you to judge the situation and check why you are behind schedule. Or behind schedule, you are valid. If you are ahead of schedule, you are oh, 100%. What about those? You are driving your car. You are driving your car. Assume you are driving your car. I will give you an example about this monitoring tools. You are driving your cars. How many gauge you have in your car? First one, fuel. Second is speed. Third is a heat. So this is a major gauge indicator. There is indicator when the fuel is already, your tank is almost empty. The fuel gauge is going to down, and this blinking lights, yellow, telling you what, go to the petrol station. So, and another one, speed. You driving in a Shimal road is 120, so then what? Then okay, you can drive 140 before cameras coming. You take your gauge. So assume these two gauge, they are broken down. They are not working. Assume you are driving your car in the middle of summer, and your gauge of fuel is half tank full. Say you are driving in the Shimal in the summer, suddenly your car stops. What you are going to do? This tools is enabling you to take a broader action. Okay, now CDM give you two types of indicators which we use them in our project to check our status. If you are over budget, while you are under budget, while you are ahead, while you are behind. If you are ahead, happy. If you are under budget, happy. Alas, I am happy. Now, assume you are behind. What is the root cause? Why I am behind? Then you will start controlling. If you are asking yourself, why I am behind schedule, what is the reason? Reason 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Take action. Take action. So then monitor your action, implement your action, and at the same time take a preventive action. Then apply your new plan. Then monitor it again. Now this is very important. It's like what? Like exactly the fuel tank gauge, which empty. Empty, go to the petrol station, fill. This is action. You are controlling it. Okay, we have very important two KPIs. We call them what? Schedule performance indicator, which SPI, schedule performance indicator, or index, cost performance index. Both of them, they have very common added value and added value. Added value was your achievement. Here we have work value. Work value. Work value is 70. You achieved work with total amount of money 70, but you plan to finish on this particular date 85. You plan to finish 85. You achieved 70. You are what? Behind. For sure, 100%. You apply now land value. You now SPI is equal 70 divided 85. Sure, 100% less than 1. Less than 1. Yeah, almost around 0.8, say 0.8. Assume you are now what? You are progressing 80% from your plan. You are ahead. You are behind schedule 20%. You are behind schedule 20%. See, a lot of meaning. You are behind. You are behind. You are achieving 80%. See, all the status. So assuming equal 1, you are planned. More than 1, for sure, 100%, you are ahead. We have what? Ahead is wrong. A will be is wrong. So behind, yes, one of them. One of them. Let us go for the second part. Lower cost performance index or indicator equal what? Equal every value divided actual cost. Where is the actual cost here? The actual cost coming from accounting reports, the charts. I'm going to pay for this work achieved, which is already 70,000. I'm going to pay 85,000. You can now your CDI is equal the same, equal 70 over 85. Equal what? Equal almost around 1.8. It still means what? A lot of me. Number 1, over budget. Number 2, each $1 you spend in this project, you get in the front of 80 cents. Yani $1 has 100 cents. Each dollar you spend, you need each dollar I spend, I need what? I need 1.2. But no, you are going to get 80 cents. That's meaning is you are losing. You are losing. You are now an over budget and you are losing. Okay, so then assume 1 equal 1 and 1 you are now as plans. Thank you very much. And budget. Okay, you are spending in your project $1, but you are going to 1.5. Yes, 1.5. Wow. Aside of what? Aside your budget. Because we are talking about budget cost. We are not talking about sales price. We are talking about your budget cost. You can now equal 1 as planned. Less than 1 over budget. What is our budget here? We are coming in our exam, this question is like what? SPR giving you direct equal 1.01. CBI is equal 1 equal 0.97. What is the project status? We are ahead over. Here, exactly. SPI is equal 1.01 and the CBI is equal 0.79. Cost wise, over budget. Skill wise, ahead. You can easily. Very simple. How many minutes? How many colors? Very story. You need 1 minute. If you know that less than 1 minute, so here they will look can be evaluated. All these products we are going to start to be shown in our project management classes, which start after extraction to structure 6 hours. Project management 6 hours. Soil mechanics 3 hours. After 15 hours, you will feel, wow, I am now on the other side of the river. Okay? Let us go for the second. You must answer directly is P. Alas. Okay, number 6, we have again structure. We have a beam. This beam is inclined beam. This beam is inclined beam. It's not horizontal, it's not vertical, inclined, like that. And you have what? You have uniform load. This beam is have uniform load and is asking about what the slope at the mid span point. What slope here? This is the deflection. And what is that? The slope at this point C. Let us see. And from the option you can predict and choose the correct answer by your own. Let us see the option. The slope at C, the mid span of the beam, for the beam shown in the figure, select one. 0, beautiful number. 0. I love it. 0. Okay. Number 2, see the answer 0. 1, 2, 9, 1. 6 EI. What is the EI? The modulus of elasticity and the energy, rigidity factors. EI. See, very beautiful number. Very long, very nice, and happy. I am happy with number. Okay. Number C, much better. More beautiful. Why? Because 0.1, 666 EI. Huh? Beautiful. Much better, son. Beautiful. The number diva and much better. See, point 0, point 333. Triple three. This D is really fun. And EI. So what's your option? D is beautiful. صح؟ يعني I believe the B and the C, they are not beautiful as an A and a D. What is the slope anyway? The slope is tangent to the elastic line for the deflection line curve. The deflection curve is the deflection curve. If you have a slope, the slope here tangent to the deflection curve. This is the slope at this point. The slope at this point is what is parallel to the beam. It's parallel to the beam. Yeah, the angle here is what is 90 degrees. Okay. The slope is what? The answer is for sure 100%. Why? Number one, Yaki, why do you give it to me all this talking? What do you have? Crazy. What do you have? You can go say 0.3. So 19291. Why? And you can do here 0.3. Yeah, 0.3 خلاص. So the answer for you, why is this guy giving me all this? Why? Logically, he can say 0.33 ER. Okay, or he can tell you what in ER you expand your Qatar, so you can multiply, but nothing. The answer, and as well, maybe you forgot the slope is what is the tangent to the curve, deflection curve, which is equal 0 at the midspan. Maybe you forgot. Anyway, you can by your own, if you are sleeping well before your exam, and you will attend your exam with what? Confidence, trust yourself, no fears, no panic. Some engineers, they are not sleeping for 1 week. I don't know why. It's very simple. Okay, so you can solve by your own, and you can correct by common sense your practice. The answer is here. We go for another one for concrete. Consider the following statement: entertainment of air in concrete is done so as to increase the workability, increase the strength, and increase the resistance of breathing and the sound. What is the correct answer? See here, which of the following or our statement, is or are means what? If the answer is or are means combination of two options. Yeah, it could be what? Option 1, 2, 3 are 1, 2, 3, or only one is 1 and 2, 1 and 3, sorry, is 2 and R, 3 only. Yes, the answer is very simple. How many minutes you need? You can read the question in 1 minute, and you can answer in another minute. That is not too much. You through the exercise as well, and through the study, through the 30 hours classes, and you are going to study through the days, through the timing, for sure 100%, inshallah, your exam mood, it will change totally. Your vision, it will be clear, and you are going to have a plan for what I'm going to study. If even now, you already after the classroom, you already have idea about what I am going to do, what we are going to do, all of us. The answer is C, 1 and 2. Number 8. The advantage of a design and the build as contractual agreement is R. We have sorry. Just want to know how three. Yeah. So three sometimes we are increasing the resistance. We are for manual freezing. To freeze, it's easy to freeze without you are going to provide air. Sorry. So it will not that much. It will not that much freeze easily. Sometimes you can go a little radiator and say accelerator or an temperature condition which one reduce it. But here we are using air entertainment in the same for sound and freezing air. We are using in particular England, in Canada. In Canada, we are using something, but in Canada, we are not. In case of activity, yes, we are providing the so we are giving the wide the so I think that after when they kind of what ice or the snowfall, okay, so the water will get inside the concrete, and you know the concrete is permeable. Yes. So during the winter season, the concrete, the water will freeze. Yes, but it will expand on the next part. So it will result in of concrete. So how can it be possible? This addition is not only air. Air entertainment you can is increasing the resistance of soil. If you have another as well, but we have here combination, you know, we have in such a question you have combination. You cannot say only one. You cannot say only one because actually we are only three work here. Sometimes in third year or in we have at the temperature reach to 7. We are using air. And you work in a person in circulated was the temperature almost around 5 and we are using air as well for both. Until maybe in the Middle East, now your background is you're studying in what which and you are not having temperature like 0. No, information. Yes, you can start when we are going to start, but when you are going to have I didn't want to. So we have here the advantage of design and build. We already have a Qatar in design and build. All the project right now, design and build. What is the advantage? What is the advantage of design? Number one, reduce project time. Number two, non-adversary relationship among participants. Number C, no project cost before construction. Number D, all of the above. Don't choose all of the above. It's not always correct. Yeah, you already go for first number. Why we have CBE and we are choose all of the above. But let's see. Design and build. What is the purpose of design? Number one, put all the risk, project risk to what? To one guy. Yeah, all the risk now, the contractor he will bear. The contractor now is responsible about design. He will assign a consultant under him to design, to upload in the system, to get all the DC1, DC2. Correct? So then, first, risk. All the rest to the contractor. In the meeting room, what will happen in the meeting room in the progress meeting session? In the progress meeting, when we are conducting a progress meeting, always the contractor is blamed. Why you are not finishing them? Why you are not finishing? Why you are behind? Why you are not shadowing? Why? Correct? If you have a consultant, if you have design as a base and construction as a base and construction only. That's meaning all the design is already done, all the building permit is issued, and DC1, DC2 building permit already done. You have somehow again you can breathe. But after design and build all the rest onto the contract will allow non-advancing relationship among the participants. Yes. The client is happy, And the consultant supervision is the supervision of the project is more than happy. Why? He is enjoying. He's enjoying. Both of them, clubbing and the consultant supervision is enjoying. But the contractor is disaster. That's why there is no adversity. And in the meeting room, there is no clashes. There is no fighting. Correct? Your number B is correct. Reduce project time. Why we are reducing project time? Because we can start execution in the middle of the cycle. Once you finish this DC1, you can start execution. You are now overlapping. Instead, you have six pages, 2 pages, like design. 1 year. Then you start execution. No, this is 2 years matter project. You can start design. In the middle of the design stage, you can start work, you can start execution. Now the total duration for the project is reduced. You need here 3 years, you can have 1 year, and you can have 2 years. Now the total duration is 2 years, 5, 6 months. Correct? Now reduce project time is correct as well. If A and B are correct, you are sure 100% C is correct. How come here? If C is correct, all is correct. No one's a project cost before the cost. Yes, I am getting fixed price, 10 million project. I need a hospital, or I need a villa, or I need a hotel, or I need whatever with 10 million. So class, the project, the cost already fixed, correct or not? If allowed, no, the project cost before the construction, yes, absolutely. Okay, you allow all of them. That's the answer. Number C, the type of our questions in our exam is easy going, but what need little bit refreshment and little bit studying. It's not that theory. It's not that no studying. Average. Maintain the average. Number 9. The main activity in project scope definition is to do what? Set up the meeting on the project, analyze the current budget plan, meet with team members, select team members, define the work breakdown structure. As for example, we are working in a scope. The first thing is to divide the scope definition of what you have already the scope defined. Let us go in definition. Let us go into a particular part, which is you're going to understand what you are going to do 100%. Scope definition. Scope defined already. Go definition, more detailed, more detailed. Set up the meeting. It's not related. Analyze the scope. What is the scope about the scope and the budget? Nothing. Meet. Why I will meet? It's nothing related to. Select team member. I'm working in definition. What I am going to do. It's not how I'm going to do or who I'm going to do. I'm asking about what I'm going to do. If as the answer is define work breakdown structure layer WBS. As I said before, any or always project without work breakdown structure is not a project. Any project should have its own WBS, work breakdown structure. Exactly what you are going to do. 100% should be contain what you are going to do. Especially if the scope defined. If the scope is not defined, you are struggling to get to this level. So you create here with WBS through the way, this WBS it will be clear, like what previously elaborated. And in the end, you are going to have a clear picture after design finish. يبقى the answer is E. Number 10. Calculate the relation at support B. Structure analysis. You have similar supported beam. This similar supported beam have concentrated load in the midspan. For sure, 100%. Structure analysis in this case is very simple. 100%. Two reaction of A and reaction of B, both of them equal to each. Your reaction is A and B is equal 20 divided 2. You 10. Kilonewton, this is the standard units. Our exam has 10% from standard units, 80 to 90% from barrier or British units. The answer is 10 kilonewton. I wish all of you enjoy the class, and inshallah we'll meet Sunday with structure analysis. Please, I am going to mention now what slide should be hard to copy. Why? Because we will start structure analysis by whiteboard. We'll bring whiteboard here and we'll forget about slides. We are going to solve the problems by our own. And we will start from scratch. Means what? We'll start from how to draw the shear force diagram. How we are going to draw the bending moment diagram for a particular system, beams, trusses, and frames. This is our exam. And the 3 to 5 number of questions coming in this area, which we need as well to enhance ourselves and get confidence. The first number of problems in your exam is a structure analysis. Oh, no, you can deal with it. Okay, the first number of questions coming project management. Oh, no, you can deal with it. Okay, 9 to 11. Don't forget 9 to 11 and 3 to 5. That means the probability for everyone to have the first number question in his exam is structure or project management. Correct? I will share with you now. I already shared, but I will mention which slide we have to print it hard copy. Here we go. This one. 34. Please. Hard to copy, please. Some engineers